All right, welcome back. Welcome back. For those of you interested in US30, here we are at 11:05 p.m. seeing what's going on. We still are in an uptrend, as you can see. We still are above the 50. We still are above the 200. We have created a higher low, but we created a lower high. And that is when it gets very interesting, when people stop and say, well, what is going on? So we know that we are below a key point, a key level of 28,000. That's a major quarter point. This area here, when I had placed my fibs from earlier videos, this was a 27. So it looked like we could be making some down movements. I have my trend line here. If we break this trend line, we're looking for a nice sharp downward movement, counter trend trade. Probably to my 200 EMA, but if we do not break this trend line, we could be heading up for a continuation. We're going to see US30 so far seems to be making its reversals on Thursday and Friday. So tomorrow is Thursday. Technically, from the market's perspective, they already are in Thursday, the Asian session. Asian in Tokyo, I believe, that we're in right now. London, US30 makes a move in London as well. I most likely am sleeping, but I try to catch it before then. So that way, once I open my eyes, I can see that I've caught some nice pips there. So we'll see what's going to happen. Again, we still have created a higher low, and then another higher low, but we have not created a higher high. What we need to happen is for this area to be broken, for this uptrend to be in a continuation all the way up to my target. So we'll see what's going on. If I drop down to the 15 minutes, let's see, as far as structure is concerned, we're not breaking structure downward. We actually are breaking, so we have a higher low, then we have a higher high, and then we have a higher low, then we have a lower high, and then a lower low. So what we're looking for is a break in structure to see in which direction that we're going to be going. This could actually created a lower high, then a lower low. So if we get some kind of price action here, we're probably going to come down to this area here, which is a trend, and the 200 EMA, and we'll see what price action tells me here, and then we might just head on back up in the London, New York session. So we'll see what is going to happen from that standpoint. Again, it is 11:10. The next move that US30 will be making probably will be around 2:15 a.m. It does make small moves in the 1 o'clock, 1:15 area, but if it does not, around 2:15, 3 o'clock in the morning London session, pre-London and London session, is when things will start to happen. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my prediction of where I see the market going. We have an if and. If it does this, hits a trend line and bounces up, we're still in it for a buy. If it hits that trend line and breaks it, we're going to be in it for a sell, probably to the 200 EMA on a higher time frame. I want to keep this video nice, short, and sweet. You can come back and take a look at it to see where you are. If you have any other type of analysis, something that you think I'm missing, feel free to shout me out. Feel free to subscribe, get a notification. I will be dropping videos. I will be following this pair because this is the pair I trade. So until next time, holla back.